Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Okay, here we go. A couple of eggs. This is cheddar. This is Havarti cheese. Remember that. This is Italian sliced bread, and we have some mayo. Mike Foster here. How you doing? You know, a few years ago, I put together a fried egg sandwich. It was just something I just decided to eat. Had a couple of eggs. They were slightly burnt. Put American cheese on it. Put some toast on there that didn't look like it was buttered. It was buttered. It was like a whole grain toast. Long story short, I called it my killer fried egg sandwich. Well, guess what? It's gotten millions and millions of views and thousands of comments about what I did wrong. A few people liked it. A lot of people liked it because it's still very popular. But I said, hey, guess what now? I'm going to make another version of it. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do differently as we go along. Check out Mike's new killer fried egg sandwich 2. Redux. Reprise. I'm still working on the title. Meet you at the stove. Alrighty, we have a slightly less than medium pan. I'm going to put some butter down right there. Alright, this is ready to receive 2 cage-free eggs. Put one here. Oh yeah. Put the other baby right here. So far so good. Let those go for a minute or two. Then we'll flip them. This needs a little pepper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it for the pepper. All right, these babies are ready to flip. Here we go, Baba. Ooh, nice. And Boo Boo. Spaga. Now, we take the cheeses. This is the cheddar. This is the Havarti. Toasted Italian bread. Instead of butter, this is something different. We're going to put mayo on both sides. This is how you kick it up a notch. Let's do it. Both sides. Now the egg. Here's the one with the Havarti. Put that right here. Oh yeah, it's gooey and ooey. Here's the one with the cheddar. Put that right here. Now that's piled on and that looks good. I don't care what anyone says. Here's the flipperoo, ladies and gentlemen. The pressaroo, center that baby for the big sliceroo. Oh yeah. Here's the reveal. Oh my God, is that perfect. Close-up coming up. There's the close-up of the new Killer Fried Egg Sandwich, 2019. Big bite coming up. There it is. Let's see if it's as good or better or worse than the original. The original, I couldn't even speak after it. It was so good. This one is just as good. The mixture of those cheeses changes, but know what takes it to the next level? It's the mayo. Oh. For all you folks out there who suggested using mayo, a different bread, different cheeses, congrats. I like the original too, but just keep trying different stuff. And check out all my videos at Live Life 365. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Now, I was criticized quite a bit for salting the eggs while they were cooking. That's how I did it at the time. And also using not cracked, fresh cracked pepper. So, you know, all you internet geniuses out there, this is for you. All right. I broke that one a little, but that's okay. Once you flip them, I'm gonna go check the toast. Well. Oh my God, look at this. I'll tell you one thing I didn't say in the original. That's a sweet baboo, Baba.